Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. It's a free AI writer. You can ask anything and write anything using that AI writer. No sign up is also required. It's like a chatbot where you can give input prompts. It will generate answer. So let us go on to today's video and check that AI tool and let us see how it will work out for our research prompts. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop for EV charging station with PV and wind energy as source. So if you are interested in EV charging design in MATLAB, so this is a better opportunity for you. So here we are going to model PV and wind energy as our sources. By using different MPPT algorithm, we are going to grasp a maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So all this can be done by MATLAB. So it's a live MATLAB workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging design, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Magic Write. So here you can see it's a AI writer. So you can ask anything, write anything. It's 100% free, no sign up required. So it is trained for professional output. So let us see how it will work out. We will give some input prompts and let us see how it will generate content for us. For example, I am going to ask generate an introduction for the research paper titled Impacts of Renewable Energy Power Production in Power Sectors. For example, say I am going to give it as a future survey. So like that I can give. So it's not a fully technical topic, so it's just a random topic. It's just like a survey, a case study topic. So I am going to ask an introduction. So and also I am going to ask give some recent years usage of electric power generated by using renewable energies. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So after that what you can give is run AI writer. So it will take several seconds to generate. So let us see how this AI writer will generate content for us. So here you can see that AI generator has generated our content. So I am going to copy the generated text. So thereby you can get a better idea. So here I am going to open and paste the content here. So this is the fantastic introduction as generated here. So here you can see the impacts of renewable energy power production in power sector, a future survey. So here you can see the introduction, a global energy landscape in rapidly transforming with notable shift towards renewable energy sources to meet the increasingly energy demands while reducing carbon emissions. So like that it will see. So according to the data from recent years, the usage of electric power generator source has notably increased. In year 2020, renewable energy accounted for this. You have to mention what is the amount of percentage of total electricity production, and also you can see that we dwell deeper in impacts of renewable energy power production. So like that it has generated a detailed content, a detailed introduction for your research paper. So thereby you can use it as a introduction part of your research paper also. Next I am going to give another important prompt, that generate an abstract for the research paper titled. So I am going to give the same title here. So copy the title and paste the title here. So after that in about 250 words. So like that you can give an input prompt. So in about 250 words. After that give run AI writer. So it will take several seconds to generate. So we have asked for abstract So here, yes, our content is generated. So copy the generated content. So and go to the Word file. So here what you can do is you can paste the abstract here. So here this is the abstract here. So here you can see that the research paper explores the impacts of renewable energy power production on the power sector, focusing on future trends and possibilities. So like that it is generated the content. So as the world transits towards, so like that it is generated the content. So here you can see a detailed abstract is generated. So you can add this abstract in a single paragraph. Probably it will be around 250 words, 200 to 250 words. A better abstract must be 200 to 250 words. So next one is that what you can ask. So I am going to ask generate an outline for the thesis titled a future survey. So I am not mentioning any words in thesis. So I am going to give just an outline. So just click on this. So it will generate outline for you. So let us see how this AI writer will generate outline. Yes, our outline is generated here. So just copy this content and you can paste here. And you can paste here. So this is the outline. You can see that. So introduction, background information on increasing importance on renewable energy in power sector, statement of problem, objectives of the research, scope and significance of research, overview of current state of renewable energy power production, analysis of existing models and methodologies used in studying renewable energy impacts. So like that it is generate a detailed outline for the thesis. So you can make use of this option. Next, explore with some other prompt. So next I am going to ask generate a conclusion for the research paper titled. So I am going to give the same title again. So click on run AI writer. So let us see how it will generate conclusion. So here you can see that the conclusion for the particular that is paper is generated. So in conclusion. So in conclusion, this is a conclusion here. So copy and paste the conclusion. So here you can see the in conclusion, the research paper has provided insights in the significant impacts in renewable energy power production within the power sector. By conducting a future survey, it is evident that the integration of renewable energy source hold great promise in addressing key challenges such as climate change, etc. So this is how you can generate content using this AI writer. So as like other AI writers, it needs sign up. There are different templates available, no need, etc. Whatever the research prompt you have in mind, you can just type in this AI writer. This AI writer will generate a better content for your research paper. The theoretical part of the research paper can be generated using this AI writer. So here the important thing is that it's a free AI writer. So it is 100% free. You can ask anything, write anything. No sign up required. So it is trained for professional output. So you can make use of this AI writer to generate a better content for your research paper writing. As you have seen in this video, we have explored many of the research prompts. You have made the body of that particular paper. So by using this AI writer, so you can make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.